If you're in the process of purchasing a home or property, one of the most frustrating issues you could face is a delay at closing. It can happen for several reasons, but one of the biggest causes is an issue with your funds. Whether you're using cash, a mortgage, or a combination of both, verifying your funds upfront is one of the most important steps you can take to avoid unnecessary delays. This is especially important if you're planning to make a major financial move soon, like investing in a gold IRA to safeguard your retirement savings. In fact, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to know why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their savings, click the first link in the description for a free guide that could change the way you think about your financial future. Now, when it comes to avoiding closing delays, let's start with understanding why these delays happen. One of the most common reasons funds don't clear in time for closing is that they haven't been properly verified. If you're transferring a large sum, like from an IRA or 401k, the financial institution needs time to process the transaction. Sometimes the money isn't accessible when you think it should be, or there are discrepancies in the paperwork that need to be addressed. To avoid this, always double check with your bank or financial institution at least a week before closing. The first step to preventing delays is getting everything in order ahead of time. For instance, make sure your bank account is fully set up and that any transfers or withdrawals are processed well in advance. If you're tapping into retirement savings, make sure the IRA custodian or 401k provider has all the necessary paperwork filed and processed early. It's also a good idea to have a backup plan, like confirming the availability of emergency funds in a liquid account in case any delays pop up. And let's talk about the method of payment. Are you relying on a traditional loan or mortgage? If so, it's essential to check with the lender that everything is ready on their end. Sometimes they need additional documentation or final approval, which can cause delays. Even a simple error in the loan approval process can delay the closing by days or weeks. When you verify your funds first, you're not just avoiding delays, you're ensuring a smoother, more predictable experience. And that's where the value of a gold IRA comes into play. If you're worried about market volatility or inflation, a gold IRA offers a way to secure your wealth while keeping your funds accessible and backed by real assets. Unlike traditional stocks or bonds, gold holds its value, making it a smart choice for retirees looking to protect their savings. One of the most overlooked aspects of avoiding delays is the importance of timing. You don't want to be scrambling to arrange your finances at the last minute, so it's essential to give yourself time to confirm all transfers, deposits, and loans are processed. Typically, funds from a gold IRA rollover or transfer can take up to 10 business days to clear, so planning ahead is crucial. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next couple of weeks and want to avoid any headaches when it comes to large transactions, this simple step, verifying your funds in advance, could be the key to your success. And while other investment options may seem appealing, there's no better way to safeguard your wealth than with a gold IRA. At the end of the day, the goal is to ensure that you're prepared for whatever comes your way, whether it's for a property purchase or for securing your retirement savings. By verifying your funds first, you're already ahead of the game. If you're an American retiree with over 100K in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 million plus in savings, consider opening a gold IRA to take advantage of its stability. The process is simple, and there's no better time than now to protect your wealth. Remember to click the first link in the description to get your free guide to gold IRAs and take control of your financial future today.